All right, let's talk about an adjustment that could put profit directly back into your pocket. This strategy I'm about to share put an extra $5,000 in profit directly back into a product for us. So, what is it? Great question. This strategy is all about Helium 10's Alerts tool. It acts as an automatic watchdog for your product dimensions, notifying you if your product is close to qualifying for a lower size tier. Here is a real-world example. Let's say your product is classified as large standard size, and it measures as 9 by 9 by 9 inches. Did you know that if you reduce just 1 inch, making it 9 by 9 by 8, you could drop into a smaller size tier, instantly reducing your fulfillment and shipping costs? That seemingly minor adjustment could save you anywhere from $1 to $3 per unit, sometimes even more. Imagine if you're selling 5, 10, 15 units a day, or even more. That sort of thing adds up over time. Helium 10 flagged this exact opportunity down for us around July or August of last year, and we received an alert on our dashboard notifying us that we had products eligible for size tier optimization. When we checked the details, we saw that 3 of the products, all from the same variation family, were close to qualifying for a lower fee tier. The notification pointed out that by trimming just 1 inch from the packaging, we can move from large bulky to large standard size. The impact? The fulfillment fee dropped from $10.75 to $7 per unit, a savings of $3.75 per unit. Of course, the packaging was redesigned to slightly adjust the product dimensions and ensure that the new shipment fit was within the lower tier. Once the new inventory arrived in January of this year, the savings began to add up. Now, let's do the math. This particular product sells about 1,500 units per year. That's roughly 4 to 5 units a day, multiplied by $3.75, adding up to a whopping $5,625 in savings. That's $5,600 straight to our bottom line, all because of a simple packaging tweak. This strategy is available to all Helium 10 users, whether you're on Platinum or Diamond. So here's what you need to do. Check your alerts dashboard and look for any notifications related to size tier optimization. If you get an alert, analyze whether you can adjust your packaging to save on fees. Now, I get it. Not every product can be easily modified. Some of you have molds or rigid packaging that cannot be altered, but for those of you who can, even minor changes in how you package or configure your product can result in huge cost reductions. Whether it's $1, $2, $3 per unit or more, this strategy is pure profit. Money that would have straight gone to Amazon fees is now staying in your business. So make sure you utilize this, and I'll see you in the next strategy.